Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from CBSE 2026 sample paper. If fx plus y equal to fx fy for all xy belongs to R and f5 is 2, f dash 0 is 3, then using the definition of derivative find f dash 5. So student, here by definition of derivative we have f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 fx plus h minus fx over h. This is the definition of derivative. Here it is given that fx plus y equal to fx into fy. If we put h in place of y, then it is fx into fh. So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0. We put fx plus y fx plus h equal to fx into fh minus fx upon h. Limit h tends to 0. Here fx is common, so fh minus 1 upon h. fx limit h tends to 0 fh minus 1 upon h. Now we take fx plus y equal to fx into y, which is given to us. Put x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Here f0 f0, so this is f0 f square 0. Taking in one side f0 f square 0 equal to 0. f0 is common, so 1 minus f0, that is 0. From here f0 is 0 and f0 equal to 1. So here we put fx into limit h tends to 0 fh minus f0, because f0 is 1 upon h. Now what is this? This is the definition of f dash 0. f dash x equal to fx into f dash 0. Now putting the values, x is 5, so this is f5 into f dash 0. Now we have f5 is given to us 2 and f dash 0 is given to us 3. So 2 into 3, that is 6. And what is this? This is f dash 5, which is required by our question. So value of f dash 5 is 6. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.